One-day trip. Seceda, Dolomites, morning in the Dolomites. Seceda, here we come. Starting right from the parking lot. Our trail begins here. Traces of rain on the leaves. Nature is waking up. First sight, that incredible mountain lake. The clouds are so low, we can almost touch them. Finally found it, the panoramic view compass. Look who we found, an unexpected encounter. What a find, a heart-shaped lake. Hiking through the alpine meadows. A little hut and a playground. What a special spot. The perfect spot to refuel and recharge. Meeting the locals, llamas and goats. They were so friendly and sociable. They even have donkeys here. And they were incredibly sweet. The views are simply unbelievable. So worth it. We made it, Seceda. That cliff view, an incredible adrenaline rush. Reached the goal. What an unforgettable day.